physically dito sa bulwagang ito nang sa ganon ay kayo po'y makaharap dito sa committee hearing ng Quadcom?
Ako po ay, Mr. Chairman, ako po ay nagtatato dahil ako po ay pinapato ni dating Pangulong Duterte dahil sa ginawa kong report tungkol kay Michael Yang at Alan Lim.
Kung bakit buhay ka pa ngayon?
Bakit buhay pa kung pinapapatay kita?
Mr. Chair, may I question this anomaly of taking a testimony by video of a person on the basis of his story only? Dapat po dito, that person, if he has something to say against or for anybody, must be required to attend here and tell the story. Mahirap po yan because that is not a standard, a fair standard of justice. Solo nila. Pagkatapos, tapos ng istorya. So, his story becomes gospel truth. Oh, what about yung mga tao, tinatamaan niya na totoo o hindi? How can you now confront or ask question? How can you now redeem your name, your honor, if hayaan mo ng ganon sa mga testimony? They should be required to attend.
Mr. President, kanina po piniliwanag ko po kung ano po ang ating batayan at ating basihan sa pagpayag po natin na magkaroon po kami ng mga resource persons via Zoom, no? Tinanong po kanina ni Congressman Bong Tebes kung bakit nasa Zoom si Colonel Asierto, at tinanong ko rin po kung ano po yung at hindi po yata siya nakakasagot doon sa katanungan yon. I do understand, Mr. President, yung inyong punto, no? And I cannot not allow the resource person via Zoom to participate in this committee hearing because under our rules it is allowed. But I will guarantee you that whatever the resource persons via Zoom will make, this is taken. This should be under oath. Number one, and number two, we can dispute whatever claims he has or he will make before this committee, Mr. President.
How about the guy talking there kanina? Was he under oath?
Yes, Mr. President. He's been a constant resource person of the committee.
Yes, but
Mr.
he has made other statements.
Mr. Chairman,
He has taken already. So,
Mr. Chairman, can I move for 1 minute recess?
1 minute suspension.
There are accusations made here. Deny to the names of my son, and they must come here and testify in person. Huwag yung Zoom na Zoom. Hindi pwede yung Zoom na Zoom because that is not a standard of justice. Hindi pwede yung ganun.
Correct.
Ang pangalan ng anak ko, pati yung son-in-law ko na yun. So I will object. Bakit tayo mag-zoom-zoom dito? Dalhin mo dito yung tao.
Correct.
Give the names of those persons to the committee so that they can subpoena the idiots, the other around. O dalhin mo dito, paupuin mo so that the committee members and the chairman can ask questions. And we can feed our questions to them so that
Mr. President, with all due respect, when last Monday when we canceled the invitation supposedly for today's committee hearing, and then yesterday we decided that we proceed again with this committee hearing. We have sent out. We were in a press conference, and I mentioned in the press conference that those who want to attend as our resource person for today's committee hearing is welcome. And that is why several of our resource persons are here. Ginagawa din po sa amin ang when we ask questions to our resource persons via Zoom, it is allowed under our rules na they can be asked questions and they can also participate in a committee hearing. However, in this case of Colonel Acerto, para lang po to set the record straight, siya po ay wala po dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi po namin malocate kung nasaan po siya. But when we offered and invited them to join the committee hearing, he has signified his intention to join this committee hearing via Zoom. And since the rules allow that, Your Honors, Mr. President, pinayagan po namin. Yan po ang nakasaad sa rules ng Rules of Procedure Governing Inquiries in Aid of Legislation sa 19th Congress po. Just for the information of the former President. So, kaya po siguro nandiyan dyan yung kung nagtanong po si Congressman Bong Teves kung maaari po bang tanungin si Colonel Acerto. I don't know if he's still online. If he's still online, pwede niyo po siyang tanungin. Just for the information of the former President. Thank you. Please proceed, Congressman.
Bias kayo, uy. Bakit kay Congressman Tibis hindi nyo siya pinayagang mag-via Zoom? Huwag nyo na nga ang lukuhin ng taong bayan, mga quadcom.
Secretariat, would you know if there's Colonel Acerto in the Zoom? Kung online ba? If Colonel Acerto, kayo po ba'y nandiyan dyan?
Yes, sir. Dito po ako.
Sige po. Congressman Bong Teves, you have 8 more minutes na lang na iwan sa inyo.
Colonel Acerto, good evening. Mr. Chair, you have to satisfy the requirements of the law or regulation. Tell us why you are not here. Are you sick? Are you half dead? Are you incapacitated? Because you will deprive the other parties participating in this hearing the right to answer or give questions.
Thank you for that suggestion, Mr. President. Yes, Colonel Acerto, bakit po kayo nag-online? Bakit po wala kayo dito physically present dito sa bulwagang ito?
Sorry po, hindi ko po maintindihan.
Bakit po?
Paano po yung audio?
Ulitin ko po, Colonel Acerto. Pwede po bang malaman bakit wala po kayo dito physically dito sa bulwagang ito nang sa ganon ay kayo po'y makaharap dito sa committee hearing ng Quadcom? Pwede po bang malaman kung anong rason?
Ako po ay, Sir Chairman, ako po ay natatakot dahil ako po ay pinapapag ni dating Pangulong Duterte dahil sa ginawa kong report tungkol kay Michael Yang at Alan Lim.
Kung pinapatay, buhay ka pa ngayon? Oo pala.
1 minute suspension.
Sir Chairman.
Oo nga pala. Yan. Ha? Pinapapatay daw siya ni PRRD. Ay, Diyos ko po. Ha? Sabihin mo na lang, mayroon na namang nag-sponsor sa'yo. Nagtatago ka. Wala na si PRRD ngayon, hindi na presidente. Bakit nagtatago ka pa? Huwag na lang lukuhin ang taong bayan, pati kayo mga quadcom.